Assalamualaikum to Sir Hazimi and our fellow friends. In this video, we're going to be talking about plastic welding, prepared by Amar Muklis, Amir Rizwan, Ana Jasmine, and Hizari Imran. In our workshop, we obviously have to follow some safety procedures. After all, safety is our number one priority. So in this slide, you can see that our model is wearing her safety jacket, some thick material pants, and safety boots. Aside from that is not written on the slide. Be sure to keep your hair neat and tidy, and also make sure to keep your sleeves folded neatly or button them up fully like our model is doing here. Safety out of the way, let's talk about safety while handling the equipment. So as you can see here in this picture is a plastic welding gun, and our senior has advised us to be aware where we place our fingers while we are doing the plastic welding, as this gun can get really hot. But more on that in the equipment and also in the demo video later on in this video. So the first thing that you see here is the wire cutter. We use this so that we're able to cut some excess plastic welding bits, which you can see in the next picture, which is the plastic welding bullets. So what we're going to do with the wire cutters is that we're going to cut some excess bits of the plastic welding bullets, as you can see those prongs there. And actually with the plastic welding bullets, there's actually two types, which is one M-shaped and this one is, if I recall correctly, it's called the S-shape. But basically the plastic welding bullets are actually just the thing that you need to weld together your plastic parts. And finally, the main star is the plastic welding gun, which helps to heat up the welding bullets to weld the plastic together. So without these two, you kind of really can't do this workshop. So here in the first video, we have a senior demonstrating to us on how to load up the welding bullets onto the welding gun, and he's also telling us all to try it, as plastic welding is an easy procedure to do. So as you can see, he places the plastic part firmly on the table, and he tells us that when we're heating up the gun, make sure not to press it too long, otherwise it get red hot. Right here, he places it down first before he heats it up, so that it doesn't move too much when we're heating up the bullet. And he twisted it before pulling it off to lock in the bullet into the plastic part. And here he is just cutting off the excess wire bits. He's doing that under the table because it can actually bounce off and hit someone's face if not done away from others. We have a video done by one of our own members, Amir Rizwan. See some defects on the plastic part where some students before us did it and they didn't cut off the excess welding bullets, wire bits. They didn't cut it off, and it looks kind of not clean there. And there are some parts where it looks like it wasn't welded properly, as if they pulled it off too fast, like one of our classmates did in the second picture there. He pulled it off too fast while it was still hot, and the way to avoid this is you should wait for it to cool a little bit and make sure to lock it in properly before you pull it out. And that's all for defects of plastic welding. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.